In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create bulleted and numbered lists in Google Docs. This can be a game changer for organizing your documents, making them easier for others to follow and understand. Whether you're drafting a project proposal, preparing meeting notes, or creating a to-do list, these handy features in Google Docs will help you keep your information neat and accessible. Let's start by creating a bulleted list. First, open your Google Doc and decide where you'd like your list to appear. Once you've positioned your cursor at your desired location, it's time to access the bulleted list tool. There are two ways to do this. You can either click on Format in the menu bar at the top, then navigate to Bullets and Numbering, and click on Bulleted List. Alternatively, you can use the bulleted list icon, which looks like a small dot, right in the toolbar for quick access. Once you've activated the bulleted list feature, you can start typing your first item. Pressing enter after you finish each item will automatically add the next bullet, allowing you to continue seamlessly. If you want to create sub-bullets under any main bullet point, simply press the tab key. This indentation visually organizes your thoughts and can be especially helpful when breaking down complex information. Now let's switch gears and focus on creating a numbered list. Much like with the bulleted list, begin by placing your cursor where you'd like to start. Then, to initiate the numbered list, click on Format found atop your screen, navigate over to Bullets and Numbering, and select Numbered List. You could also go directly to the toolbar and click on the numbered list icon, which resembles the numbers 1, 2, and 3. As soon as you start typing your first item and press enter, the next number will pop up automatically. This functionality allows you to maintain an easy flow as you work your way through the list. Additionally, should you need to create a sub-numbered list, simply hit the tab key. This will indent your item and continue numbering in a hierarchical sequence, perfect for outlining steps or processes that require additional layers of detail. These tools in Google Docs provide a smooth, user-friendly way to bring order and clarity to your writing. By taking advantage of bulleted and numbered lists, you can make sure your documents are not just functional but also polished and professional. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these methods with different types of content until you feel comfortable. With a little time and effort, you'll be creating impressively organized documents in no time at all. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough, and happy listening.